Joey, what are you going to do for us?
I will be doing a dramatic reading of one of Emma's books.
Oh, okay. Which one?
Well, it's one of her favorites. Riding the Storm Out, Coping with Postpartum Depression. Yeesh. Love You Forever. Love You Forever by Robert Munsch. Published by Firefly Books, printed in Mexico. A mother held her new baby and very slowly rocked him back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And while she held him, she sang, I'll love you forever. I'll like you for always, as long as I'm living. My baby, you'll be. And while he rocked her, he sang, I'll love you forever. I'll like you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby, you'll be.
Wow! That was amazing.
Thank you so much for that gift. I was not ready for this today.